Smartphone, cell phone, mobile phone, whatever you call them from your part of the world, I can almost guarantee that for several hours a day, one of these bad boys is in your hand. Whether you're speaking to friends, watching something entertaining, or endlessly scrolling social media trying to score your next dopamine hit, this kind of technology has changed our lives forever, whether you like it or not. And now we've stepped it up a level, and we're even using them to make money. Now let's get this clear from the start. This video is not about showing you 172 apps that you can make money from, a few cents or pennies here or there that require 16 long hours of completing simple tasks in order to really pay off. Nah, I'll save that for another video for those of you that have got a little more patience. Instead, this video is all about ways that we can make serious money from our phones, and some of these proven techniques that I know are working for others and could be perfect for you. So I'm going to show you 3 proven strategies that make money from your phone. So before we jump into it, all I ask is that if you get anything from this video, then please drop a comment below. I don't care what it is. You can tell me your favourite song, what you had for dinner, or put the capital of Peru if that's what it takes to get some engagement. Because YouTube is a fickle old thing, and it won't show me any love unless you do, so I really appreciate it. That said, let's look at the 3 best ways to make money from your phone in 2021. Now the first strategy is surprisingly using TikTok. First up, we're going to talk about a girl that I found on TikTok called Rachel Meaders. Now I want you to watch carefully here as Rachel has achieved something incredibly special. But what you're going to realise is that it's also amazingly simple, and me and you could do this too. Now Rachel's creating TikTok videos, and before you switch off, I know, I shared the same thoughts with TikTok. Surely it's all ass shaking and dancing. Well actually it's not. There are tons of different niches on TikTok. Personally, I like watching DIY hacks on there, mainly because I'm utterly crap at DIY and they make it look easy and give me hope. What Rachel is doing is very clever. She posts a very short video and always follows the same format. She doesn't use any fancy software, it's all done from her phone. Her niche, or specialist subject if you like, is Amazon products. She adds a little intrigue by showing you a gadget or something cool like a portable phone charger, an ice cream freezer, or any other random crap that you might think,
whoa, I want one of those.
Her videos are getting millions of views, and what happens is people will watch the video and they'll want to buy one themselves. So in her profile, she's got a link to a landing page which has her other social media channels on, but more importantly, it's got her personal affiliate link to Amazon. You see, this is where the magic happens. Rachel's applied to be an affiliate for Amazon. In other words, she'll get a commission each time that someone clicks on that link and buys a product on Amazon. Amazon is one of the easiest programs to apply for and start earning passive income. Look at this example. It's a video for a rotating pizza oven. I look at this and I think, wow, I'd like one of them. Do I need one? Hell no, but want and need are different beasts. So I click on the link in the profile, and because you can only use one link on TikTok, Rachel's used a mini landing page. And in there is an Amazon link where she's created a short list of everything she features in her videos. And look, here's the pizza spinning thingamabob. I click and I buy it, because who doesn't buy through Amazon, right? If you scroll down, you can see that this product is in the kitchen and dining category. And if we Google the commission rates, we can see that Amazon will pay 4.5% commission, which for the pizza rotator is around $2.50. Now, that's not a huge amount, is it? But what Amazon also do is they'll pay a commission for anything else that you buy in that session. So imagine doing this just before Christmas when someone's got a basket full of shopping. You're going to get a commission for absolutely everything that's in that basket. Now, if you only get 100 views on your videos, then I wouldn't recommend Amazon at all. I would get started with higher paying affiliate products. And you're going to want to stay tuned to the end where I'm going to tell you how to make $1,000 commissions. But as you can see, Rachel's getting hundreds of thousands and in some cases millions of views. And that's why she's making a living from simple videos from her phone. Remember that TikTok isn't the only place that you can do this too. All of the big social platforms are battling it out for quick vertical phone footage. Instagram's got Reels, YouTube's got Shorts, and they all want a slice of that pie. Also, if you want to learn more about making money on TikTok, then check out the description once you've finished watching to the end of this video, because I've got a couple more really good strategies coming up. So the second way to make money from your phone is using Google Maps. And we're going to go on a little treasure hunt here. Let me explain. So Google have got a free feature called Google My Business. Now, this is like a directory service that every business owner should be in. It allows a business owner to add their company details, manage reviews, but more importantly, it optimizes them for when people search on Google and Google Maps, which, let's face it, most people do. So if I need a plumber, I don't use the yellow pages anymore, I look on Google Maps. If I want to try a new takeaway restaurant, then I look on Google Maps. If I'm in a city that I've never been to before, then I use Google Maps to plan my entire day. So you see what I'm saying? Google generates leads. So if you've got your own business, then you need to be on Google My Business. But here's the thing, loads of them aren't. And this could be because they're not tech savvy enough, or they just aren't aware of why they should be on it, which is a real shame, as this could be key to more people coming through their shop door, or their phone ringing twice as much with people wanting to make appointments. So how do you help them and make money from your phone? Well, there are actually tons of ways to make money, and we'll get onto that in a moment. First of all, we need to identify these people and create a list of businesses that need our help. Now, the easiest way to do this is to open up Google Maps on your phone, pick a city, and you may want to stay close to home at first as you know the area and people more. You can always expand it later. Next, we're going to pick a trade. Now, think about who's likely to be quite low tech but makes decent money and can afford to invest. Look at dentists, chiropractors, accountants, electricians, plumbers, things like that. Now search for them on maps and then check the results of each one that you find. The ones we're looking for are the ones that say claim my business. Now this means that they're not registered for Google My Business for whatever reason. Take a note of their phone number or search on Google for them to see if you can get an email address from their website, if they've got one. Now the key to this is opening the door. We're going to build trust and provide value up front by contacting them and telling them about Google My Business. You show them the benefits and why they should really be registered on it. You tell them how easy it is, even offer to help them if you like, as a gesture of goodwill. You can send them an email or record a video using your phone to make it more of a personal touch, or even just an old-fashioned phone call to speak to them. Remember, most people are skeptical about cold callers, so anything that you can do to warm up that relationship will help. Now the money's in the follow-up. After you've opened the door and provided value up front, you can offer your services with anything else tech-related. You could manage the social media, create them a landing page, design them some graphics. You can ask for a monthly retainer or even just work for free but get them to sign up to your affiliate products. A good example is GrooveFunnels, which they can get a free account and build their own landing page. What GrooveFunnels does is it allows you to create a generic template and share that. So if anyone imports that template, they need to sign up for an account. This account is then associated to you, and if they ever upgrade to the full version for all of the features that they might need, then you get a hefty commission. So if they're terrified of tech, then no worries. You've pretty much created it for them and they just need the finishing touches. Now there are tons of services you could offer going forward. Don't underestimate how much you can do that others may be oblivious to. Now this is just an outline. If you want to go really into detail with this strategy, then I've got a video that covers it all in more detail, including some example scripts that you can use. I'm going to leave a link in the description, so watch this video to the end, and then if that's something you fancy learning more about, then check it out. But before you do, I'm going to show you the third way to make money from your phone. Now this strategy is one that some of my friends are using, and they're making $1,000 sales just using Messenger on their phone. They don't have websites, no fancy sales funnels, it is literally just the phone that they're using. So remember that Amazon links thing that we talked about before, how Rachel was using affiliate marketing to make money with her phone? Well, this is the same business model but executed in a really different way. It's called attraction marketing, and it works really well if you're promoting high ticket products such as training courses or software. And what I mean by high ticket is they're earning substantial commissions. This could be $500, $1,000, $2,000, basically a lot more than you're going to earn through Amazon. I know people that are making six figures with this technique. First up, you need an affiliate product to promote, something that you believe in and would pay for yourself. In my case, I promote an affiliate coaching program. Now, the reason that I promote this is because my coach has taught me so much over the last year. He's helped me reprogram my belief system and realise that I can achieve anything that I want, as well as arming me with the sales and marketing skills that you need to build an online business. But also, it's high ticket. Remember how Rachel was making a few dollars from each commission? Well, that's great if you've got large traffic volumes, but what about if you made $1,000 from just one sale? Think of the possibilities if you scaled that up. Because if you can make one sale, then you can make 20. If you can make 20, you can make 100. So first up, you want to clean up your Facebook account. Delete any old posts or hide them if they're not relevant. Create yourself a nice banner and featured image that shows people who you are and why you can help them. You can create these really easily on Canva, or you can hire someone to do them on Fiverr if graphics isn't your thing. So in my case, I would use my Facebook account as a business tool. Instead of using it to tell people what I had for dinner for that day, I would share a number of different type of posts. It's the basic concept of documenting your journey. Write about what you've learned that day, any problems you had, any challenges that you overcame. Talk about any results, and that could be your first YouTube subscriber, or you wrote your first blog post, or you made your first dollar. Don't be afraid to celebrate even the smallest of results. Mix that in with some lifestyle posts so that people get to know you and what you're about. For example, are you a family guy? Are you an adventurer trying to live the laptop lifestyle? Who are you? Why would people resonate? The reason we do this is because with Facebook, you may connect with people in your niche that don't intend to buy from you straight away. They become friends. But over time, they learn more about you and what you stand for, and that builds trust in you. You may find one day that they're actually asking you for your affiliate links. Now make sure you join some of the big Facebook groups in your niche and go into them and help people, provide value. People will naturally click on your profile and try and have a nosy and learn more about you. Ultimately, they may then click on your affiliate link to learn more about whatever it is that you're promoting, and that's when you start earning commissions. Next step is to start using Messenger. Now, don't be one of those annoying, slimy salespersons who pushes people for sales. I hate that. Instead, just say hello, ask what they do, and show a genuine interest in them and their business. Start building a long-term relationship, and over time, you'll see how you can help each other out. Once you're comfortable with this, then maybe start a Facebook group. Begin to funnel people towards that group, where they're going to look to you to create content and help them out with their problems. This is a great way to build your own audience that's ready to buy from you and follow your recommendations. It can start with affiliate products, and then further down the line, you can create your own products. It's a great strategy that works well for a lot of people, but the key is to be genuine. Don't worry about showing that you're a beginner, because you'll be a step ahead of someone and they will resonate with that honesty. If you want to learn more about this strategy, then I'm going to leave a link in the description to some free training, as well as all the links that I mentioned in the video for other strategies too, some of which are on screen now. See you next time.